wind warning in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 6 p.m. Sunday. High wind warning, which is in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 6 p.m. Sunday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Winds, northeast 30 to 45 miles per hour with localized gusts over 65 miles per hour. On Kauai, the strongest winds will be focused in leeward areas from Barking Sands to Koloa. On Oahu, the strongest winds will impact areas in the immediately of the Ko'olau and Waianae ranges and eastern locations from Waimanalo to Makapuu. In Maui County, the strongest winds will be in the lee of mountain areas across much of Lanai and Kaho'olawe, and through the central valley of Maui from Wailuku to Maunalei Harbor. On the Big Island, the strongest winds will be focused in the leeward Kohala area, the Waimea to Kauai High Corridor, western saddle areas, and north of Kailua Kona in the North Kona District. Timing, late this afternoon through Sunday, with a peak in the winds expected tonight into Sunday morning. Impacts, winds this strong can result in damaged roofs, broken and falling tree branches, down trees, down power poles, and power lines resulting in interruptions to power, flying debris if outdoor items are not properly tied down. Residents should bring in or tie down any loose outdoor items, and are encouraged to trim older and weaker tree branches that may impact their residence. These strong winds will make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. A high wind warning means that winds are expected to be at least 40 miles per hour, with gusts over 60 miles per hour.